Good morning, everybody. Guys, another bloody day. We're down on AMC pre-markets as well as GameStop. The blood continues. Not just this. Take a look at the overall indices, guys. The overall markets. Futures were crappy. Tesla, did it really hit 620 on that candle? Possibly, but we're seeing some reversal here. We're seeing a spike. We're having some of the dip hours come through. Alibaba's, is it on a 200? I haven't got that earlier in a while. 209, it hit 227 pre-market. That's 200 right now. Let's see how strong this AMC rip is. 42, which is like pre-market levels. I mean, I don't like we mentioned yesterday. At this point, we're just free falling. I don't know where this is gonna hold. It's testing the estimate here on the 4 hour, so $40 would probably be nice. And I don't know what's going on with GameStop. I really don't know. This stock has been under EMA for quite some time. Since the meeting, the annual shareholder meeting, it's been under EMA. Hasn't really done anything. What's going on, Morantz? You're missing the market collapse pre-market. We're seeing a pullback. Is this we had like 7 straight days of just new highs. And then yesterday we were supposed to go red, and out of nowhere we have a lot of buying power coming in, and then we just closed green. Not just green, but a new high. That's insane. This was yesterday. Look at this. We had a pullback, and then we closed at new highs into closer SPY. That is nuts. AMC continuing that rip at 42. Come on. So we're down 7% as of right now. And are you guys watching the yield and the 10-year? It's just collapsing as well. It doesn't make any sense. 1.298%. This is just leaving me very confused. What's going on, Robert? Let's check Twitter. What are people saying on Twitter? Morning Scoogs. Uh 10,200 in May is trending. Volkswagen is trending. AMC pulling back, giving up the gains. Oh man. That short play on Apple would have been nice yesterday at 144. I mean, if you take a look at this on the 4 hour, this is completely ridiculous. This has to pull back. You just don't know when. That's the risk about shorting stocks. You could get squeezed really, really quick. Any news on here? Nothing much. The VIX is also creeping up too. We're above 20 on the VIX. Oh, now under 20. But we were up above 20 on the VIX pre-market to 21.29. Let's pull up Vortex really quick. I'm also curious to see the volume. Look at this on the daily, man. This is just sad. Complete free fall. Where should we hold? If it doesn't hold 40, it's going to come down to 35. There's a gap to fill here, actually. There's a small gap. So if it doesn't hold 40, it has a high chance of coming to 35. Let's check Vortex. Still the same percent, 18.89%. And Emron is also pulling back. This is the one that had hit $28 at pre-market one day on Tuesday. ALF, Clover, Oh boy. Yeah. That's a key level for support today. $40, $40. It came under slightly at 39.33 pre-market, but we can hold 40 today. I don't even want to count on it holding 40. Yesterday, we saw the complete opposite. We didn't even hold 45. It came down to 42. Sundial's moving. Forgot about that stock. It's still under $1 though. And this trades so badly. There's just too many walls there. You know I don't like Sundial. Oops. There we go. GameStop's like a freaking turtle, man. This stock just needs to move. We had a nice recovery yesterday, not gonna lie, after this pretty steep drop, 196 all the way to 177, and had a good bounce to 193, and then it just pooped itself pre-market. New low at 177. So now I'm kind of sure that $200 is gonna be a wall for GameStop, just like $50 for AMC. Delta, my alert on Delta. How did an alert on Delta? This is also sinking. Hmm. AMC walked down. AMC jumped off the window. They say stocks take the stairs up and the windows down on the way down. I think even Bitcoin, I think even Bitcoin's having a hard time. Let's take a look. There's that red candle on AMC down to 4060. 32.4 Bitcoin, guys. 32.4 coming off the highs of what did we hit, like 30? Let's pull this on the 4 hour. 35, 36. It's still trading sideways after hitting 28K. There still isn't really that massive move on the way down like we're expecting. I guess it's just gonna take some time. But it is finding some support there though. So that's gonna affect the Dogecoin. Let's check what Dogecoin's at. 20 cents. Back to 20 cents. This was at what, 30? No, 25. 25. The low I think we saw was like 12 cents on Dogecoin. Crazy to think that stock, I mean that crypto was at 70 cents on May 8th with Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live. Olympic Games in Tokyo venues will be held without spectators as the city enters a Rona 19 state of emergency. And there's the pullback on AMC. Mm, same thing as the last 2 days. We see a nice little move market open, and then the candles start getting ugly here. So we might see another drop here aggressively. Just wait for that ugly red candle. Let's see if we see that. Much better outlook. Morning, Kevin. There's that red candle we're talking about. Tesla. Eh. What a weird day in the markets. There it is. There's that red candle. Morgan Stanley vendor reports data breach. Bleeping computer. Where's the restroom? I'll be right back. Came back to a new low. Damn. Not surprised. Not surprised. I mean, at what point is this gonna bounce, man? Look at this in the daily. Jeez. Let's see. Do I have an active trade in AMC? No, I do not. I'm sure a lot of people close their positions, take some profits. Um, mm, mm, mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 red candles on the 4 hour. Mm, 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 mm. Why is Volkswagen trending? Let's take a look. Volkswagen and BMW agreed to pay 1 billion in fines for collusion over emissions. Oh yeah, they got fined. Yeah, on the daily, AMC is obviously looking oversold, but I don't know how lower this can go. Because this isn't just like a Tesla stock or Apple or Microsoft. That's my only concern. If there is going to be a bounce, to what extent is that bounce going to go to? $50, 45, 40 bucks? I don't know. New low. That's my only concern, that the valuation on this is pretty absurd. Even just like with any other stock right now in the market just keeps hitting new highs. Like at what point is the rug going to get pulled? All right, Scoogs, have a good one. Yeah, today's probably not a good day to watch the market. Just watch your money vanish. It's not good. I mean, but if you have a plan and you're in for long term, then you're just hurting yourself watching this. There's that bounce. At least GameStop is kind of holding here at 181. Yesterday it was not doing that at all. I mean, look at this yesterday. It just sank. $39.50 bounce. There we go. On the 5 minute, how are we looking? 40.22 EMA on the 5. So if there's a bounce here on AMC, we should see $40 again. But again, we're trading near the lows, so I don't know necessarily if we should call this a support level just yet. We saw what happened the last 2 days. So let's take it candle by candle. I haven't had coffee in like 3 days, and I'm just like feeling so weird right now. I've just had water in the last 3 days, no coffee. At least my headaches have kind of gone away. Withdrawals. Still seeing 39. Damn, Alibaba's sinking under 200. 198. That DD news is probably affecting this, not gonna lie. Yeah, I just hit a new 52-week low. Nuts. $39.40. There we go. Let's go back to 40, baby. Go back to 40. Spy's red, but let's not count on this. This is probably gonna go green in the next couple hours. Nasdaq is sinking down 1.63%. Kevin, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what the AMC threshold is. I saw it trending. I keep hearing people talk about it, but like I said, like 2 weeks ago, I'm just so fed up with all the NSCC, DTCC threshold this, and they have to cover here. It's just like all that is just noise to me at this point. Like I haven't taken a look at it. I'm not gonna lie. You said I haven't taken the time to understand it, and the day 13 I keep hearing about. Yeah, I keep seeing all of that, but at this point, like, no, I'm not. It's just I see people saying that they met with Citadel employees in the taxi cab, and it's just like it's all noise. Yeah, GameStop is holding pretty darn well here at 183 compared to yesterday's price action. In congruence with what happened with AMC yesterday, it's holding pretty well. Stocks are tumbling amid Rona concerns. Here's what you need to know. Is that true? Are people really believing that this Delta variant or this new variant is gonna cause us to close again? No worries, same here. I'll just stick with my original plan and sell when the shorts cover. Yeah, there's a lot of confirmation bias out there, and people just like want to nitpick what they want to hear. What's going on, Rich? You think we're headed for a crash? I've been thinking that for the last 2 months, and we haven't seen anything. We just seen new highs. We've just seen new high after new high after new high after new high. Can't fight the Fed. I just have a bad feeling about today, bro. Um, Honestly, just like if you take a look at the Nasdaq and you just take a look at the daily and you zoom out, this is just like a little blip. Every single downturn we've had is just like, oh, this is the crash, this is the pullback, and it's just followed by new highs. So at this point, the longer the Fed keeps buying these bonds and these mortgage-backed securities and just keeps pumping money into the system, there's no way it's gonna crash. There's no way. And if you take a look at the 10-year, tech stocks are crashing down as the 10-year was hiking like a month ago. And now it's the opposite. Now that these rates are super low, we're starting to see a slight pullback here. It doesn't make any sense. I mean, one thing I know was Michael Burry was shorting TLT, the 20-year. And look at this. I don't know where he was shorting this, but when it came out, when the news came out that he was short, this was like at 136 and it's at 150 now. Wait, we're just talking about this. Look at this. If you're feeling sad, just watch this over and over again until 4 p.m. Eastern. Let me ask you here.
Can you characterize everything that the Fed has done this past week as essentially flooding the system with money?
Yes, exactly.
And there's no end to your ability to do that.
There is no end to our ability to do that.
Can you characterize everything?
Honestly, I thought that was gonna be a Powell video. It's actually not. The Fed is fake, baby. We need to end the Fed. Um, the VIX is tanking. There's that SPY recovery. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna be surprised if SPY recovers all of the loss. The 1.1% we're down. Would not be surprised. Rob's in the Discord. Let's see. Even Rob told me this morning it might be a bloody. I told him it was a bloody week. He said it's not over. He said if this crap continues into next week, it may turn into March 2020 again. You guys remember how fast we tanked in March 2020. That was quick. So, oh, AMC 4040. There's that rebound we're looking for. At least we're not tanking as bad as yesterday. Yesterday was pretty brutal at open with no bounce at all until later midday. As of now, we're seeing that recovery here. 46, 70, 71. Nice rebound. Nearly 41 here on the rebound for AMC. There it is, 41, 4109. Nice little push. Any news? No. There we go. Now we're back to market open levels. 4136. Look at that green candle. From 40 to 4143. Even GameStop. Let's go. Come on. Is Bob still tanking? 198 snow. Oh wow, look at this. 42. This might be like some shorts covering or something. I don't know. These spikes don't look normal at all. We need a stronger rebound than 45, man. That's beautiful. Now we just need to hold, man. Let's hold these gains. These candles we need to hold. Let's hold above 41 at least. Because yesterday we gave up everything. Rebound of 500. I'm more concerned about the support levels than whatever it does on the way up. I don't like. I'm more concerned and worried how strong the support levels are. Discovery really cracked 28s. Damn, this stock has been struggling. Not even Viacom. Oops, Disca. There we go. Damn, this one never recovered, man. This is when I was wanting to buy like a 40, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be patient. It might come down a bit more. And look at this now. 28s. Viacom also pulling back. AMC continues to rip. 42.36. There we go. This looks pretty good, not gonna lie. We that a big buyer might have just come in right now too. Yeah, Viacom is coming down too. Stacks a lot. Look at the heat map. Ugh. People should make their decisions off factual data instead of the hype. We're human beings, man. We're rational. Come on, baby. Come on, AMC. Hold these levels. Hold these levels. There has to be a pullback, but how aggressive is that pullback going to be? We're above EMA on the 5. All right, there we go. Come on. 42. Are we going to hold 42? $20 off of the high before it starts to rebound. That's the whole market. It's holding 42 pretty nicely. There we go. A new high, 42.60, 67, 70, 83. This is like some covering going on. I'm not gonna lie. This looks like some shorts are covering. What do you guys think? Still holding 42.50. This might be setting up for a new rip. GameStop's also recovering pretty nicely. I want to see above 200 on GameStop. Come on. The whole market improved. Let's take a look. Yeah, slightly. We came off the lows. SPY coming back too. I'm telling you, SPY's gonna go green, man. Look at the weekly chart of the Dow. AMC 42.97. Why is there some resistance there? Is there a what? 43 or what? Rip, baby, rip, rip. 97 again, 98. Does it want to break 43? Come on. Oh man, there's like a little wall there at 43. There's that pullback we were anticipating. How aggressive is that pullback going to be? I don't know. Even GameStop is slightly pulling back here as well. So this is like the similar pattern in GameStop and AMC. You guys see this? Similar pattern. BlackBerry, same thing. Interesting. Apes not leaving is trending in the United States. Hashtag apes not leaving. Still holding 42 nicely. I like that. Come on. Hold 42, hold 42. That'd be a very strong level to hold today. If we could hold 42 today, I think that might be setting us up for a green day tomorrow. If we don't recover today. What's tomorrow? Friday already, right? Yep. It's not holding 42, 41.98. If we can hold these mid 40 or low 40 support levels, that'd be pretty good for tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie. Didn't I tell you 42? Yeah, 42 might be it. But again, I think it might be too early to call it. I mean, yesterday we got a big fake out as well. Look at this yesterday. We hit 42, right? 79. And then we had a strong recovery mid to 46, only to end up near the lows after hours. So it might be a little too early. We might even get a higher support level. 45, I don't know. There's that rebound. Very strong and bullish. Come on, come on. 42.60. We need that retest of 43. We need to break 43. There we go. It's coming. It's coming. 42.85. 89. There we go. 43. It's looking great. But if we take a look at the 5 minute, ever since $54, you see this downtrend. So right now we're honoring that downtrend. That's why we need to just push, man. Break that downtrend. You guys see this too? Downtrend. Draw it out really quick. There we go. So it can be honoring the downtrend here. Possibly get rejected, come back down. That could be a possibility. Or we continue to rip up and this is the low. There we go. Come on. Same thing with GameStop. Nah, Tesla's not doing too well either. Nvidia also had this massive drop from like 836 pre-market yesterday, I think. 836 pre-market yesterday, right? Came down yesterday 818. Look at this gap down to 786. So we're still kind of seeing some resistance here at 43, but I'd rather be at 43 than at 38. If we do pull back here, let's find some support right around 42, 41. And if we hold that level throughout today, tomorrow we should finally see a green day. That'd be a great setup for next week. Because it's on the daily chart. is looking pretty bad and oversold. This is a pretty good candle too on the daily. Looks oversold, but this is a bullish candle on the daily. As of right now, in the next couple minutes, I'm at least anticipating a pullback to like 4160s, like right around here. That would be a healthy pullback zone. Right here where this little red line is at. That's the weekly candles are actually pretty solid. Last week on Friday for AMC, I took a look at the weekly and I saw a bearish hammer on the way down. And I sent it in the Discord. I said I don't have a good feeling about the AMC weekly candle. And look what happened Tuesday, Wednesday, and today. We didn't see the best price action. So the weeklies might be a little. You're just looking at things on the obviously on the weekly on the bigger time frame. How's it looking right now? I mean, we're still coming down. So even if the case and if we honor 35, that would be the EMA on the weekly, $35. I don't think we'll see under 35. Um, I think we have a green day. If we have a solid support level today, I think tomorrow we're setting up for a green day as well. But as of now, we're still seeing some resistance at 43. So we're still anticipating a small pullback to like 4160. Ralph, how did registration for classes go yesterday? Good, thank you for asking. I got all the classes I wanted to. I got accounting class. I'm taking macroeconomics right now. I'm taking micro in fall. Uh, astronomy lab and a computer information class, something like that. Still 43 resistance. Come on, AMC. I can't even remember the last the last Green Friday we have. Give it a few years and you're gonna be running your own financial service company. And then I'll probably be able to consider myself a financial advisor and I'd be probably getting rid of the little banner up here that says not a financial advisor. The Bank of Ralph. You got accounting class? Accounting. Oh man. I'm glad that I'm done with school. It's such a waste. It's just so easy right now and convenient that it's online. It's at your own pace. I could finish like weeks worth of, or like 1 week worth of work in like 1 or 2 days. We're still holding here near like the 42 level, so we're not seeing that pullback like anticipated. And of course, if this does pull back, GameStop's probably gonna follow. Oh, there's that red candle. Is it gonna pull back to my little red line like we anticipated? Maybe, maybe not. Online is better. Save gas, absolutely. Not even just the time is what's important. Because we sold our souls to the government. You should look at the 4 hour candle chart to see the trend for AMC. I love the 4 hour. My favorite time frames are the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 4 hour. Kind of now integrating the weekly just to look at the bigger picture. Yeah, we're testing SMA actually on the 4 hours, so this is not a bad zone to bounce off of. We did not test SMA. We have the SMA crossover, what, like mid-May, and now we're finally back and testing it. That's like the overall bigger picture. So as of now, AMC's bouncing off 42.20. Not too bad, not too bad. Holding a little stronger than I expected, but again, it might be too early to call it. GameStop with the green candle, 187. GameStop take us back to 200. Come on. Did you take the shot with Ralph, Robert? Not sure what you mean by that. Oh, I think it might be too early to call it. Is this gonna pull back to 42? I think Robert took the shot way before me though. Oh, there's that pullback. 42 test. Test it. Yeah, I'm waiting for that test to 600. It came down pretty fast. I'm not gonna lie. It's recovering right now, but look at the daily. Came down faster than I thought. I didn't really hold the 680s, 700 level. Stronger than I thought as well. I think Nasdaq's ripping. Nasdaq's coming back. How's Spy doing? Spy just wants to rip too. The VIX coming down, 19. See, what are the odds that the Delta variant continues and we get locked down again? That would suck. If AMC can't break 43 by 11 a.m., then it's pulling back. Possibly because that's what we've been seeing too on AMC. We retest. We have a good bounce, right? Usually it comes midday, but is this the bounce that came early today before our next leg down? Possibly. I think I might agree with you on that one. But as of now, it's holding 42 pretty decently. Let's see what's trending. What kind of news do we got? Black Widow. Oh, Black Widow movie comes out tonight, I think. Be the first to see it tonight. Apes Strong Together is trending. Secret Service is trending. Another lockdown will probably cause a civil war. Look at that rebound, 42.50s. GameStop is holding pretty strong. Just rip, GameStop. There we go. Give me 189. AMC coming back to retest 43. This might be another rip up. Break the resistance. Oh no, it's still shying away, guys. It's still kind of shying away at 43. Yep. It's funny how that resistance sign here, it's like it honors it. Look at the candle, it's kind of shine there. Come on, rip, rip. Almost sure everything but the VIX if they lock down again. Just Spy could go along on the VIX. I don't trust the jab. I'll see what it does to Ralph. The first shot was the one that was pretty bad. The second shot wasn't. It was nothing compared to the first one. So usually it's the opposite. The first one's not that bad, and the second was the one that gets you. I had three shots that day. I got the Rona, uh, I got Moderna, and then I got the Tdap and the HPV. Look at Carve. Is that Carnival stock? What is this? I heard about this stock pre-market. Somebody asked what's green in the market. I think it was in the Discord. Someone asked, is anything green? And someone said, yeah, CARV. The stock got halted. Fifth circuit breaker? Jeez. I don't know. I guess I'm not too old. Let's see. Oh crap! What? Two doses of the HPV vaccine are recommended for children ages 11 to 12. The vaccine can be given starting at the age of 9. Can I get the HPV vaccine if I'm over 26? Does not recommend an HPV vaccine for adults older than 26. Nope, I'm not there yet. There we go. 43 rip on AMC. I think they upped it to 40. Can I get the HPV vaccine if I'm over 45? Oh, they did. They approved it for 45 for men and women. Oh, there's that rip, guys. 43 break. If we can go green today on AMC, that'd be amazing. GameStop follow along, baby. There we go. 190. Is this above yesterday's rebound? No, we saw a rebound at 192. Come on. What a great rebound we have on AMC today. We're still red, but let's go green. On the 4 hour. Oh, this is the thing. On the 4 hour, we have cushion to push up to like 46 bucks. After that, is it gonna hold there or is it gonna come back down? That's the problem. I said that's what I meant by saying this whole when AMC pulls back like this, it's just gonna extend everything because now we have to find support. Now we have to bounce. We have to test resistance. See if we get rejected there, potentially come back down, or just continue to push up, and it's just gonna extend this whole process. What's going on, Dante? It's been a minute. Robert, what? Oh man. Hope everything's okay with you, Dante. Yeah, I think last time you came, you locked in some profits on AMC, right? If I'm not mistaken, or GameStop. No, I didn't take my shot with Rob. Rob had his way before. Oh, you had AMC, yeah, right? Change your title. You evidently don't know what a crash is. Encourage. Do not spread fear like your title is doing. I'm sorry, I forgot this was your channel. I cashed out for a profit at 1600. Nice. Goldman Sachs says England is going to beat Italy 2-1 in extra time. It's funny how Goldman predicts like the Euro bracket, and they were so wrong about it. So off too. They had France going to like semifinals, and they got out in round of 16. Italy's gonna take the cup. England, I'm sorry, but it's not coming home. 43-31. All these people talking like AMC's gonna hit 100 grand. They're crazy. AMC's gonna hit. That's what it's essentially worth, right? 15 to 20 bucks. As of now, we're not even trading near that, and I don't think we'll trade near that for who knows how long. It's been 6 months. The stock is it doesn't. It's not gonna make any sense at all. But eventually, things do come down to what they're worth. We just don't know the time frame. Who are you to tell someone what they should do with their channel? I think I just kind of scared the guy. I feel bad. He probably saw the title, saw his investments, saw they were red, and kind of, putting the blame on me. I think I'm responsible for the market crash, right? So 43, we're still holding pretty darn well. I'm not gonna lie, we had a strong recovery here. Pretty odd too. If you take a look at these candles, it looks like somebody was probably covering or a massive whale stepped in. I can't wait for the CPI in a couple days too. I keep forgetting CPI comes out mid-month. What do you guys think? We finally see double digits? Finally? Or are they still going to be lying about the CPI? Because I don't know, man. 5%? It doesn't. How dare you crash the market? Yeah, how dare me, right? I'm sorry, guys. GameStop, what are you doing? Why are you pulling back like this? Oh, EMA test on GameStop. Once again, it's still honoring like this downturn here, this little descending triangle we have, as well as AMC coming right back down under, but it's not too bad. We had a pretty strong recovery. Better trading here at 42 than at 38 on the lows, if you ask me. Rob had nothing to do with AMC dropping. Oh my God, are people really thinking that? Did you guys give me that much power? The CPI is transitory. BG, don't touch my initials. Alrighty, let's see. Tesla's looking a little choppy here. I don't like it. Nasdaq pulling back. Ooh, SPY. I said, nope, we're not going up today. We're coming back down near the lows. Triple bottom at 427. Pre-market low, market open low, and as of now, we're still at the lows at 427. Of course, if you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, this is nothing but it's finally testing EMA on the daily. Every time we've tested EMA, we kind of came down under. Not too much though. We immediately rebounded. Immediately, buyers came in and stepped in and said, you know what, this is a good dip buy. AMC 4230s. You day trading it caused it to drop? Oh yeah, because I trade millions of shares. Someone told me to check this channel out. Said you were causing the are you guys being for real? That you were dropping the stock prices because Poto. I've never seen you on the channel. I think you're a new face here. So I don't know if you're lying or not. But hey guys, I guess we have more influence than we thought. 42. 41.97 cracking 42 support again. This is the little red line we thought AMC was going to pull back to like 11 minutes ago. As of now, we're kind of honoring that 5-minute EMA. Is it going to hold here or is it going to come back down? AMC bulls are nutty. Oh, earthquake, earthquake. Small earthquake. Telling you guys, in a couple days or months, we talked about that in the Discord, the big one in Cali. 42 still holding nicely. Come on. See, wouldn't it be so sad if this just fell back down to 39? Like the support is just it has to hold. I don't care how high it goes. It's just support levels that have to hold. It already cracked 50, 40. Can we hold 42? I'd rather much have this hold at 45. Yeah, carve is the word on the street. Is it still unhalted? Oh, it got halted on the way down, I believe. This is what the sixth halt of the day? Oh, this is going to be interesting to look at. Let's set some alerts. That's if Thinkorswim decides to alert me. I want AMC to close under 40 today or I'm covering. If AMC holds 41, 42 today, I think tomorrow will be a good day. Finally, I think this is what the fourth red day in a row. You know, high frequency trading is what prevents a short squeeze because they hike 1,000 shares, they sell and they buy. Yeah, it's just like a computer, buying and selling. Still holding 42, baby. Did SPY continue to sell off? No, it bounced off the lows. Triple bottom on SPY and it's holding there. Who's holding Apple here? Anybody have Apple calls or some shares on Apple? Apple has been a beast, man. I can't wait for the new iPhone to come out because Apple already hit me with that. Let's destroy your current iPhone. Let's make it slower. Oh, you guys want to use my high frequency trading software? But first you have to buy my merchandise. You first have to donate to me. Crude oil. How's crude? How are them oil futures? Yeah, oil pulled back too. Gold pulling back. Apple in the 401. 41.64. Come on, baby, hold. Come on. Not bad, not too bad, not too bad. So I think we're bouncing off the 5-minute EMA here at $42. It's looking pretty decent so far. So once again, I'll repeat this. If it can hold 42 or at least the low 40s, I think it should be setting up for a good day tomorrow. Because, man, if you just look at the 30-minute 1 hour, it's just constant free fall. There's no support level just yet. And then we can hold, and this can be the bottom. I think a reversal is possible. This is oversold on the daily. Still holding 42. Let's go. No, I don't own any cum rocket. All these altcoins and crypto scams are just, it doesn't make you want to touch any meme coin. It's still halted. BYFC. This one's another one that they're talking about. Interesting. Has earnings coming up too. Earnings are here, baby. Nice little rebound here. WPF. No, guys, you guys know what happened to WPF? It's not WPF anymore. Look at this. It's gone. You know why? They got acquired. I forgot the ticker. But I was looking at my portfolio the other day. I'm like, when did I buy this stock? I was like, I never bought this stock, and it turns out it was WPF. AMC nice bounce. So let's go to $6. I think it was this stock. It was this. ALIT is WPF. But you see, WPF on Wednesday said the shareholders have approved the company's merger. So the history ends right there with WPF. Everything comes to an end, man. All right, guys. Yeah, we're probably gonna end it here fast. 7:30 a.m. You guys know the famous line. ALIT, John, is the ticker symbol. ALIT. A light. Appreciate that, Morant. I'm gonna pass down the torch to Morant. He's gonna be going live in 30 minutes. So that's the key, man. Even for GameStop too, they're both having the same price action today. I know GameStop's a little slower than AMC, but nonetheless, it still follows it. I mean, just compare the charts. I see the same thing. What are Webull going to give you in the boxes? What do you mean boxes? Oh, like in the free stock packs? Let's see if we have any more. Which I doubt, because the last time was like 2 weeks ago when we got our last one. Yeah, no free stocks yet. Look, WPF, WPF, PF, 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 PF. All right, so um, if the market does come down out of nowhere and just starts to tank, then that's gonna be pretty interesting. So I'll plug in the free Discord. I think that's one of the signs from the apocalypse from the Bible. Those shall see the finance emerge to allay and the skies turn black. Loot boxes, I don't know what you're talking about. Screw Weevil. Weevil is just rigged. I'm meant to get crappy stocks on there. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll have Rob on tomorrow. Hopefully he wants to hop on. And we leave you with AMC being at 42.58. Hopefully we hold the low 40s. And GameStop being at 186. Market's gonna move higher. Possibly the market's probably gonna go to new highs, by the way, when we end the stream, like it always does. The printer goes on, the Fed still lives. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your morning. Go out, get a workout, get that blood flowing, meditate, do some breathing exercises. Life is good.